Hi, welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some words related to one occupation. Here are the words to learn. Doctor, diagnosis, cholesterol, diabetes, vaccinations, medical, illnesses, results, advice, nutrition, prescriptions, surgery, specialist. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified when there's a new video posted. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now learn to use each word in a sentence. Mira is a doctor. Mira diagnoses medical problems. Mira checks cholesterol levels. Mira checks for diabetes. Mira gives vaccinations. Mira treats medical illnesses. Mira explains lab results. Mira gives advice on nutrition. Mira writes prescriptions. Mira performs surgery. Mira refers patients to specialists. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.